Yeah, we gotta know who the imposter is. Who's the imposter? No, we're playing hide and seek. The visibility واحد ولا يرى. Arta, who's the imposter? You gotta know who the imposter is.
Not me, خليك يا أخو. Yo, 10
All right,
seconds.
guys, I'm
Everybody
the
run.
imposter.
10 seconds.
Hey, click.
Me,
I don't know.
I'm the imposter, guys.
Yo, and Firi,
It's me.
If you see
Firi,
Khalik
listen.
anywhere, you can tell
If you
people
see
where
it,
Khalik is at.
listen. Everybody has 10 seconds. We're not gonna.
You run.
No,
You run.
I'm not gonna sabotage anything except for the lights. The lights are the only thing we sabotage. And you don't turn the lights back on, right?
10 seconds to run. 10 seconds.
intaas hal taskii ina dhameeyo waan nooga
You run away from him.
All right, bet. But you don't report a body. And then last person standing
bal
wins.
kafteerida aan ku noqdo oona qabsa u wareegay shaaxi waxaas iska caawo
What? Arr, you got 10 seconds to leave. You got 10 seconds.
Yo,
We're playing hide and seek. Everybody do your task. That's the point. That's the point of this. We gotta win with tasks. All right, guys.
you guys gotta go.
ku dhalawas maxaa ani wicil ma ahay hoolweyga lagu dilay kaamirada horteeda
I don't even want to do it.
Yo, bro.
Yo, complete your task.
ilaahu haddaad taas ka sameeyo loos iga dhig loos
You are there. Yo, someone go turn on lights. We can't see it. Go fix it.
ilaahu haddaa leer nakana waa inta mid
هذا لا قلت لك
waraa mid kale iska agmado
you guys anybody seen him?
Yo, I'm going to you, baby. Bro,
game kan waa this is the funniest game ever bro qofka
wallahi mid u jeeda qofka baraanka لا
يا رجال
ورا ميت
انا بنس انا
شيت
خف على الوقع خف بربل على الوقع
لازم ستاندينج مي برو انا
كليك لك اقصى شيء عدو
واقع
ميتك يا كنت سامعني يلا ميتك
يلدلي يا اخوها
انا صعود يمكن عرا اركب ضي
noo sheeg dadka wada fadhi ya leen marka dhibatiin noo sheeg meesha lagu dilay hadda lagu dilay
ورا والله